Hi guys and dolls, divinedivak here, and I am here to share with you a new video. I'm going to tell you a little bit about a haul that I did. It's a very small haul, and I do videos from a mature vlogger's perspective. So if you'd like to see videos that relate to more mature viewers, please stay tuned and comment below. Today's video, I'm going to talk about a small haul that I did with Curl Junkie. Curl Junkie, when I first started doing videos, Curl Junkie was really big in the natural hair community. You don't hear a lot about them, but their products are excellent. The only issue with their products is that they're on the more expensive side and they really don't have many sales. The only two that I know of are their Black Friday sales, which everybody has Black Friday sales, and they have a sale in April, an Easter sale. And those are the only two sales that I know of that they do. So if you know that they do more sales, please comment below. Let us know what other times they do a big sale. This time I only bought two products, and actually they were the same product. It's Repair Me. It's their reconstructing hair treatment. And this is like a light protein treatment. I like it a lot because I would never leave it in my hair. A lot of their conditioners you can leave in your hair. I would never leave this one in my hair. I would always rinse it out. However, my hair always feels strengthened after using it. And I really don't have to go in afterwards with a moisturizing deep conditioner. If you do, please comment below and let me know if you feel that you have to, but I haven't felt that when I do my hair. So this was just a really small, short video about this haul. This was their April haul. I will probably go back on Black Friday and purchase some more. I like their Beauty Curl with argan oil. That's another one of my favorites. This time around, I still have a lot of hair care products to go through, so I didn't feel that I needed to buy a lot, but I wish if Curl Junkie ever sees this, that this came in a bigger size. I had to buy two because they don't have it in like a liter size. I'd love to have this in a liter size. So these are going to go into my hair care fridge, and I will bring them out as I need a protein treatment. If you like my video, and I think you might have because you've made it to the end of the video, please click the subscribe button and the bell. The bell will let you know when I upload videos, and the subscribe button is free. So click it and join the divinedivak family. I will see you in my next video.